Sports and welcome to our third Run for Fun 2025.
And meeting different kinds of dogs for both 1K and 3KM is really exciting.
A very good experience for both the dogs, good exercise as well.
And thank you for the Run for Fun for this wonderful event po. We are so glad to be here po, Kabiran.
Next year, see you again here for another For Fun Run.
Next year, magkita-kita tayo ulit. Number 1 na to. Thank you!